Hello my lovely, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time on clicking on any of my video, then welcome to the family. Now let's get to do our sleepers. At this point, cut both straps of the sleepers. Oh, the last one decided not to cut. After getting done with the straps cutting, lay one strap on the other and sew them together. Please, before sewing, tie a knot to secure the end. Make sure all secured knots are positioned on top of the strap. Using the yard of a ribbon, insert the ribbon to the sole of the slippers. Wrap it around the knot. Now wrap the rest around the strap and again the leftover around the knot. Now, cut out a leadlet with dimensions 9 inches by 1 inch and another with 1.5 by 1.5 inches. Cut and fold the edges of the fabric using the same dimensions of the leadlet. Glue them together and attach them to your slippers. The length of your strap will be dependent on the measurements around your foot. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more free videos, comments, and share. Kissing.